Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a Walmart haul here. Most likely there's going to be another haul after this one, and then I will share my meal plan at the end. I didn't have to grab a huge amount because this week coming up, I'm filming this on a Sunday. You guys won't see this till the following Friday. But we do Home Chef once a month. I've mentioned this multiple times. So this upcoming week is a Home Chef week. So it's always nice because I can go a little bit lighter on my groceries. But yeah, this haul here was about $71, and I'm going to show you everything I picked up. So I grabbed these Tuscan style seasoned, dry rubbed, thin sliced, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I don't normally buy a lot of meat from Walmart. Normally I get meat at Fresh Market or sometimes Price Chopper, but every once in a while I'll grab something like this that's already marinated and seasoned because I can throw it on the grill on a Sunday afternoon and use it for meal prep, like for salads and stuff for the week. So I picked those up. I got some Tiny Twist cheddar rolled gold pretzels. My son really likes these, and so does Matt. I got the regular party size scoops. We go through like a bag a week. I still have some of the multi-grain scoops, so I'll have to probably pick those up next week, but for now we just needed the regular. I got some mozzarella cheese because we're going to do English muffin pizzas for dinner, probably actually tonight. I got Swiffer wet pads because we are completely out. We just used the last couple of them in the bathroom yesterday cleaning it. I got some vanilla ice cream from Breyers, the homemade vanilla, some cream cheese for Matt because we have some bagels to use up. This is in the garlic and herb flavor. And then I got some treats. I don't usually splurge and get Haagen-Dazs, but they have really, really good ice cream. But every once in a while I'll grab it. So I got coffee for myself, and for my husband I got the Spirit Stout Chocolate Pretzel Crunch, which I think he's really gonna like. And anytime we have Haagen-Dazs, it's like a definite treat. I also picked up English muffins for the English muffin pizzas, some Almond Joy International Delight coffee creamer for Matt. I like getting different flavors for him, and I'm pretty sure he likes this flavor with hazelnut coffee because he has hazelnut K-Cups right now as well as pumpkin spice, so he can kind of mix and match. Grape tomatoes, some multicolored peppers, a red, a yellow, and a orange pepper. Some of these Jif to go creamy peanut butter cups. Normally I just get the normal Jif, but I happened to see this one and it said it had lower sodium. It was the same price, so I thought I would try it because we like these to dip like carrots and celery in, and they're just really handy for on the go. I got Grady's granola bars. These are pretty much the only ones he'll eat on a regular basis. He only likes the Quaker chocolate chip, the less sugar ones. For some reason he doesn't like the full sugar ones, which I'm not complaining, but yeah, these are the only ones he'll really eat. I also got another of these Grill Mates Honey Sriracha Marinade Mix. You guys know, if you've been watching for a while, we do a ton of grilling in the summer, and I marinate meat probably, I would say, about twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. I marinate some kind of meat, and I'm just trying to soak in all the grilling while I can because come September the weather starts to cool down a lot. Also, a few people have told me there is a new flavor called Korean barbecue. I did not see it in my Walmart. I'll check a couple other places when I'm out, but I have not seen it, so hopefully I will run into it and be able to purchase it. We needed Band-Aids because it's very, very buggy, and Grady has a lot of bug bites. So do I, actually, like black fly and mosquito bites. And unfortunately, my son is a picker, so he likes to pick his scabs. Sorry if that's TMI, but we needed some Band-Aids, and he wanted these Paw Patrol ones. He actually went with me to Walmart today. I grabbed these file folders. This is a 6-count, just mixed prints because I'm in the process of organizing like all our paperwork and documents. Because we have, you know, we did a big move last year and we still have a lot of papers that are like out of order, so I'm working on getting all of our paperwork filed correctly, and I needed some more folders. I actually had a coupon for this, a good coupon. Normally I get my cat the Delectable pouch brand cat food, but I had a $4 off coupon on a 12 count or higher, and this was like 10 bucks-ish, maybe $11, and I got $4 off. So I'm hoping my cat will like this. I do not need cat food for her at the moment, but it's good to have a backup, and I'm always looking for different things to try out with her, especially now that she's older, and I just want to give her good things to eat. Bottled water for Grady. These are the little guys. If you are new here, I've talked about this before. I would obviously prefer to send my son to school with like a reusable water bottle such as this one. We actually have 4 of these. These are the glass Life Factory bottles. We have a blue, a green, and orange. Actually, I think we have 2 blue, 1 green, and an orange. I absolutely love these. But every time I have sent my son to school with like a reusable, refillable water bottle, it never makes it home. So I don't want to run the risk of losing any more bottles. We've lost several over the years. So I just send him with these, and either the school recycles it or he brings it home empty and we throw it in recycling here. And then lastly, I got the Coke Orange Vanilla Zero Sugar. Haven't bought this in a while. It's really good. I try to limit myself to 1 soda a day, which for me is pretty good. I know soda's not good for you, but I used to be like a 6-can-a-day soda drinker when I was younger. So now I have 1 a day. The nice thing about the Zero is my husband will drink it. He does not like Diet Coke, but he doesn't mind the Zero, so we can both kind of share this. But yeah, guys, this is everything I picked up today, and just stay tuned for the next haul and then the meal plan at the end. Hey guys, it is currently Thursday, so you guys will be seeing this haul tomorrow on Friday. I just got home from work. I had to go to Target after work. I also stopped by Bath & Body Works and got a bunch of wallflowers. They were having a sale, so I thought I would just show you guys everything I picked up from Target and Bath & Body Works. My dad's birthday is this weekend, so we're having like a little family and friends gathering at my parents' house. So my mom asked if I could just pick up some like non-alcoholic beverages for the people who don't drink, and obviously kids. So I grabbed some Sprite, some Vanilla Coke Zero, some of the Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade, and I'll probably just bring like, I don't know, 6 of each of these there, along with some other things that I have already in my basement fridge, and then the other half of that, you know, of the portions will just stay here with us. I got some Sara Lee butter bread. I've been in a kick with this lately. I don't know, I just really like it lately. So I got a loaf of that, some spinach spring mix, because I'm just kind of getting burnt out on romaine. I love romaine, but we eat so much of it that every once in a while I like to just get a different kind of lettuce. So I got this for like a salad option. I grabbed some Powerade grape, sugar-free for Matt to take to work. I also like these as well. I only like the sugar-free or the zero kind. So I grabbed those. These I've never seen the smooth one. So I love orange cream. I go through phases with yogurt, which some of you guys know. Sometimes I want nothing to do with yogurt, and sometimes I want nothing but yogurt. So I got 2 of these orange cream smooth, and this is no pieces of fruit, so it's just like a blended yogurt with no chunks of fruit. 50 cents each. I saw these when I was walking by the peanut butter. It's the Biscoff little biscuits with cookie butter, so I got this just as a treat to throw in my husband's lunch. We needed cinnamon sugar. I honestly did not think Target would have this. I was very surprised. I don't know why. I just didn't think they would have this specific item. But I looked, and sure enough, they had it, and I use this a lot on, actually I like it on this bread. I like to toast a couple slices of this bread, lightly butter it, and then sprinkle a little bit of this on. It is so good. Even my son likes it, and my husband really likes it. So it's been like a little breakfast thing we've had lately. I had a couple coupons for P.F. Chang home menu items. I love P.F. Chang's, like going there. I absolutely love it. It's one of, if not my favorite chain restaurant. And I've had, I think, this before. I don't buy a lot of like frozen pre-made heat up meals, but I had a really good coupon. I had like $2 off of 2, and they were like $3 a piece. With fall coming, I wanted just to start stocking up on a few things like this that I can just have in the freezer as a quick option to bring to work. Next month in September, Grady starts school, and I start my new job at my current company full-time, so I'm going to be going from couple jobs down to 1 job, which is nice. So I don't know, I just wanted to stock up a little bit and get a few of these little items, and the coupon obviously helped. So I got the Dan Dan noodle bowl and the Korean inspired pork bowl, noodle bowl as well. I also needed some sugar for coffee or baking if I ever were to bake anything. And yeah, that's everything I grabbed from Target. And I'm going to show you what I got from Bath & Body Works. I specifically went for the wallflowers. I use these all over my home. I think literally I have 4 to 5 of them going at all times in all different points in my home. The retail on them is normally $6.50 each. I never ever pay that and would never pay that. It's just too high in my opinion for one of these. But they had a sale today, 7 for $24, and then I had an additional 20% off coupon. I also had a coupon for a free travel size item. So I got this to give to Grady's teacher. I have a bunch of little goodies that I'm going to be putting together for her for like a back to school treat bag for his main teacher. So this is one of the things I got, and it was a freebie, which is awesome. It's the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte 24-hour body lotion with my coupon, and then 7 for $24. I got 14, so obviously $48, and then I got 20% off of that, which brought each wallflower down to $2.73 or $2.74, which is obviously a lot cheaper. So I'm just going to quickly run through each one with you because a lot of these are old favorites, some of them are new. Marshmallow Fireside is one of my favorite year-round scents, whether it's a candle or this. So I got a Marshmallow Fireside, and they actually stand up now on their own, which I love. They used to be tear-shaped and not stand up. I got a Pumpkin Pecan Waffle, which is one of my favorite fall scents. I don't think I've ever had a wallflower in this, but it's the Desert Wildflower. So I'm excited about that. I got Pumpkin Pie, of course. I always get one of those. I got a Maple Cinnamon Pancake. It smells really good. I got a Flannel, which is like a masculine cozy scent. I got a Autumn Woods. It's hard to see that for a minute. Autumn Woods. I try not to get any repeats. I got Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. I got Crisp Morning Air. I got Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. This one I love. It's not really a fall scent, but it's a newer scent, the Gingham. It smells really, really good. So I grabbed one of those. This one is Leaves, which is like a classic all elements of fall scent in one. This is Pumpkin Pecan Waffle. So I guess I did I get one of these? Did I already say Pumpkin Pecan Waffles? I can't remember, guys. Yeah, so I did get repeats of this. That's the only one I got a repeat of, though. And this is the White Caramel Cold Brew. So yeah, I'm pretty set. This will obviously last me all of August, all of September. I would imagine I'd be good to go on these until we get into like the winter months. But yeah, kind of random, but that's what I picked up when I was leaving Target. They're in the same vicinity. So now I'm going to share with you guys my meal plan for next week. Okay, so meal plan for the upcoming week. I think I mentioned, but I'm not sure, that this is a Home Chef week. We order from them once a month. I can never remember if I had mentioned things sometimes because I film my clips all different days. But if I didn't, it's a Home Chef week. One night we're going to do a Home Chef meal. It's the shrimp fra diavolo farfalle, and I'll make a salad on the side. We're going to do a no meat night, some naan pizzas on the grill with a salad, and on the pizzas I'll just put different veggies. I was going to do this other Home Chef meal. It's the hoisin beef and noodles with carrots and bok choy, but I actually made that a couple nights ago. I posted it on my Instagram. It was like a 15-minute meal. It came out really good. So because I already made that, I think I'm going to do chicken lettuce wraps. I just put a question mark because I don't know if I have ground chicken. If not, I'll have to pick some up. I know I have most of the other ingredients to make that. I'm also going to make some chicken piccata. I have not made that in probably, I don't know, 2-3 years. I've had it like out, but I haven't made it at home in a long time. And my friend Steve actually made it and it looked really good. So he sent me the recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and use his recipe and make it with angel hair and then just a simple salad. I'm going to do a breakfast skillet one night. I've showed you guys those before in like what's for dinner videos. I just use the Great Value like frozen potatoes. I thaw them out. and then just throw them in a big skillet, and then sort of do like a big scramble with eggs, cheese, whatever meat I have. Sometimes I don't put any meat in, and then I just put in like veggies, onions, peppers, that kind of thing. We're gonna do pork chops on the grill one night with the Cattleman Gold barbecue sauce with some kind of rice and veggie, and then of course I always have my freebie night where I can do, you know, leftovers. Sometimes we go to my parents' house, sometimes we'll get takeout, you know, that kind of thing. But yeah, anyways guys, that's the meal plan. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday with a new video.